Alright, y'all. Do a quick video. When y'all buy a used VQ, please do the water pump when you buy a used VQ. Buddy of mine bought a used VQ, had me put cams in it before he put it in his car. And when I pulled his water pump, this is what I see. That is horrible. He would have never got this car to bleed right and would have had cooling issues. I just want to show y'all that. Just a quick little video. Then we'll show y'all these beautiful bump sticks by Brian Crower. Got tools laying on there. Good old LS push rod. So I know I'm at TDC. But yeah, y'all, please do that. That's the water pump. All right, appreciate y'all for tuning in.